Hey kids, today I am going to show you how to register or log into CS First website. For this, you have already been given a CS First website link. You need to click on that link. For me, I'll open the link from here. This is how your CS First website looks like. Top left corner you will see Google for Education, and on your top right corner you will see sign in option in blue color. Now when you click on sign in, it gives you different options, whether you are a student or whether you are a teacher. So you will click on I am a student. When you click on I am a student, it will ask you sign in with Google or sign in with CS First. Now the school email ID that have been given to us is Google email ID. So we will click on sign in with Google. Once you click on sign in with Google, it will give you a place to choose an account. Okay, so you will select your school account. Now this is my school email ID. You will select your school email ID. So click on your school email ID and then you get registered or logged into the CS First website. When you log into CS First website, you may see your past classes. This is your dashboard.